Good morning, children. Welcome to English class. How are you all? I hope you all are fine. Okay, let's start our class, children. Okay, in previous class we have completed till 56th page, isn't it? We have all completed 4.4. Today let's go with 4.5 in studio, page number 57. Okay, everyone open it, children. I will read 1C. Okay, look at the picture given below. It shows Harry and Charlie at the farm. Name the people or objects you see in the picture. Okay, children, that means this is the scene of our story. Okay, Charlie and Harry, both of them are in the farm, isn't it? Okay, now what you have to write? You have to write the names. Okay, names of the people or objects. Okay, you have to write all these names. ఓకే, ఇక్కడ ఉన్న సీన్లో కనిపించే నేమ్స్ అన్నీ ఇక్కడ రాయాలి. ఓకే, యూ హ్యావ్ టు ఫిల్ హియర్ ఆల్ దీస్ నేమ్స్. ఓకే, ఫస్ట్ టెల్ వన్ వర్డ్, చిల్డ్రన్. ఫస్ట్, వాట్ ఈస్ దిస్? ఎస్, ట్రీ. టెల్ ద స్పెల్లింగ్. TREE, tree. Okay, next, Harry. Okay, Harry is there, no? Harry, HARRY, Harry. Next, pillow. See pillow here? Yes, pillow. Write pillow, children. PILLOW, pillow. And next, bed sheet also it's there, isn't it? Bed sheet. BEDSHET, bed sheet, isn't it? Yes, tell some more, children. What is there? What is this beside the Harry? It is well. WELL, well. Okay, next, see who is sleeping here? Charlie. Right, Charlie. CHARLIE, Charlie. Okay, next, what is there? This is dog. Right, DOG, dog. And next, what is there? This one is can be called as mat. Okay, pillow, bed sheet, and this one is mat. Tell the spelling of the mat, children. Yes, MAT, mat. And next, remaining what are there? Pigs. Pigs also it's there, or hen. You can see the hen here, no? Yes, hen, right hand, children. Okay, HEN, hen. And what is remaining? Tell me what you can see here. Yes, pigs. Animals, pigs also it's there. Okay, ikkadunna anni names rasnam ante. Okay, read along with me, children. Tree, Harry, pillow, bed sheet, well, Charlie, dog, mat, hen, pigs. Okay, now let's go to the next page, page number 58. Turn your pages, children. See here first, I will read, keep the finger there, just listen to me. Okay, the farmer describes this scene to his friend. Reads what the farmer told him. Okay, that means farmer is there, no? That farmer is describing all these scene to his friend. Okay, ఏం జరిగింది? చార్లీ వచ్చాడు, హ్యారీ వచ్చారు, ఇద్దరు వచ్చారు, ఏం జరిగింది అని మొత్తం చెప్పాడనమాట తన ఫ్రెండ్కి. Okay, that was he is describing. Now let's see how he have described. Charlie is Harry's friend. Charlie wanted a job, so Charlie came to me. I asked Charlie to feed the animals on my farm. Charlie was very lazy. Okay, like that the farmer have described. Now see question. How many times is Charlie repeated here? That means Charlie name. How many times repeated in this paragraph? See highlighted words. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 times the Charlie name was repeated. Isn't it? Yes. Now read this. That means next one. See. Charlie is Harry's friend. He wanted a job, so he came to me. I asked Charlie to feed the animals on my farm. He was very lazy. Okay, now let's see. Write the number of times Charlie is repeated here. Same thing. How many times the Charlie name have been repeated? Let's see. 1, 2. That's it. Only 2. Do you observe one thing, children? These 2 paragraphs are same. Isn't it? Content is same, but this name usage రెండు పాసేజెస్ మీనింగ్ ఒక్కటే. కాకపోతే చార్లీ వర్డ్ ఇక్కడ తక్కువ యూస్ చేసాము, ఇక్కడ ఎక్కువ యూస్ చేసాం. దాట్స్ ద డిఫరెన్స్. ఓకే, విచ్ వర్డ్ హ్యాస్ బీన్ యూస్డ్ ఇన్ ద ప్లేస్ ఆఫ్ చార్లీ ఇన్ ద పారాగ్రాఫ్ అబోవ్? Okay, that means here see Charlie is good friend. Charlie is not good friend, sorry. Charlie is Harry's friend. Charlie is Harry's friend. Both are same. Charlie wanted a job. He wanted a job. That means what is replacing here? Charlie ni ఏ word replace చేసింది? Tell me. What is it? He. He. Charlie name was replacing by he, and so Charlie came to me. So he came to me. Here also it's replacing he. Okay, and I asked Charlie to feed the animals on my farm. I asked the Charlie to feed the animals on my farm. Same. And Charlie was very lazy. He was very lazy. Here also again he. That means what the word it's replacing the Charlie? Tell me. Yes, very good. He. He is replacing the word Charlie. Isn't it? Now see children, what like these cases, that means you are replacing one word to another, what it can be called as? Let's see. Words such as he, she, I, you and it are used in the place of nouns. They are called pronouns. Okay, here children, noun means what? Charlie. Isn't it? Noun means naming word or name of a person, place or an animal. Names అన్నిటిని మనం nouns అని అంటాం. నౌన్స్ ప్లేసెస్లో అంటే నౌన్కి బదులుగా వాడే వాటిని ప్రొనౌన్ అంటాం. ఇన్ ద ప్లేస్ ఆఫ్ ది నౌన్ ఇఫ్ యు ఆర్ యూజింగ్ ఎ వర్డ్, దట్ వర్డ్ కెన్ బి యూజ్డ్ యాజ్ ప్రొనౌన్. సి రిపీట్ ఆఫ్టర్ మీ దిస్ ప్రొనౌన్స్. హెచ్ఈ హీ, ఎస్హెచ్ఈ షీ, ఐ, వైఓ యు and it it. See, he means for male gender we will use he, అంటే మగవారికి he యూజ్ చేస్తాం. అండ్ ఫిమేల్ జెండర్ she means ఫిమేల్ జెండర్, ఆడవారికి she యూజ్ చేస్తాం. అండ్ I means what children? I, నేను. అండ్ you means నువ్వు. and it, it means non-living things. Okay, sometimes living things also will come like animals. Okay, adi అలా చెప్పడానికి ఇట్ యూజ్ చేస్తాము. దీస్ వర్డ్స్ విల్ బీ యూజ్డ్ ఇన్ ద ప్లేస్ ఆఫ్ వాట్? ఎస్, నౌన్స్. ఓకే, దోస్ వర్డ్స్ కెన్ బి కాల్డ్ యాజ్ ప్రొనౌన్స్ చిల్డ్రన్. Okay, pronouns are used in the place of nouns so that we don't need to repeat them. Okay, that means we will use the pronouns in the place of noun, so no need to repeat all the time the noun only. See here how many times the Charlie is repeating Charlie, 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 Charlie. No need to repeat like that. Okay, we can use simply he. Okay, he is simple than the Charlie, no? Yes, like that we can use simply he. No need to repeat all the time nouns only. This is in studio children. Now please do this one as classwork. Now I'll give homework children. Open your companion. Okay, open it children. Companion page number 31. Our lesson title, Who Gets the Treasure. This one I'm giving for you as homework children. Please try to do. Okay, nothing is harder here. Please take your parents help also, no problem, they will help you. So first see, let me explain this. From the given options, circle the people you meet every day or often. That means every day some people you will meet, no? That people you have to circle. That means every day I will come in a bus to school and I will meet a driver every day. You have to circle like this. Okay, have to circle like this. All these names are there, no? You have to circle at least 3. From these, list 3 people who you think work very hard. Describe each of them in 1 or 2 words. That means, see, ఇక్కడ వీళ్ళు నేమ్స్ని సర్కిల్ చేశారు కదా, రోజు వాళ్ళ యాక్టివిటీస్ వాళ్ళు చేసే పనులు కూడా మీరు చూస్తూ ఉంటారు కదా. ఇందులో ఎవరైతే ఎక్కువగా వర్క్ చేస్తారో వాళ్ళని డిస్క్రైబ్ చేస్తూ ఒక 2 words రాయాలి. అదర్వైజ్ 1 word ఇట్స్ ఇనఫ్. ఓకే, సి యూ హ్యావ్ టు రైట్ డ్రైవర్ అంకుల్ నేమ్ హియర్. దట్ మీన్స్ ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ driver uncle name is Ramesh. Okay, uncle name is, think that, Ramesh, and he every time he will work hard and he is very clean and he will drive the bus very safely, isn't it? Write 1 word at least, hard working. Okay, hard working person. Hard working person. Like that you have to write. Okay, try to write at least 2 words, otherwise 1 word only. Like that you have to write the name of that person and you have to write like this. Okay, and here in bracket keep driver also. You should know, no? Driver. Like this you write children. Do this homework and send to me WhatsApp. This is about today's English class. Thank you so much. Have a nice day.